So, yeah, this is awesome.
Moab is not a place that is known for its waterfalls. It actually is known for its amazing desert landscape. This trail day almost didn't happen, as it was my last day of the trip and I needed to make it home before the snow and flight staff. But when you're in Moab, you take advantage of every second, even if that means you won't make it home until midnight before work the next day.
Wow. Just down there. Came in at dark, looked at Gaia, found this spot within a minute, and I'd say it turned out pretty well. I mean, you can't beat those views. We've got Long Canyon there, Pritchett Canyon in the distance. The LaSalles are up there, but it is cold, windy, it's been raining. I know it says only 40 degrees out, or it says 40, and that should be warm, but doesn't feel it. So, let's go do this.
The amazing thing about Moab is that no matter where you go, you're going to be amazed. I've never been to this area, and I came to this spot at night. I woke up to this before the trail day even started.
Alright guys, so I'm sitting in my car doing some drone footage. Check out this shot. A nice forward shot. Look at that. Who would know that that is just over there? Sick.
As I left my camp spot, I now headed to Long Canyon. It's a trail that I've wanted to do for a really long time. In the distance, you can see Pritchett Canyon, and from this viewpoint, it's pretty amazing.
So I am at the start of Pucker Pass, or Long Canyon. I've always wanted to do this. The Schaefer Pritchett Canyon is back there. So you can see it in the distance. I've always wanted to do it because it just looks so awesomely epic. It's raining, it's cloudy, we may not see it. I did get a little bit of footage coming in, so that's the best we got. I mean, we're out here. This is Moab. This is Moab, baby. Who cares if it's raining or shining? But this was an appropriate time to talk about what I'm gonna do with the Tacoma. So I'm waiting for my friend JJ to get here. Like I said, he's on his way. And I thought another cup of coffee would be really, really nice right now. It's cold, it's rainy, it's like that perfect day where you want coffee. So, first thing, it's raining. I don't have an awning. That would be an awesome thing. So, that's number one. And then, hint, hint, there's a lot bigger things coming for Moo the Tacoma. So, if you like my channel, you like following my adventures, get ready, because in the next 3, 4, 5 months, this is gonna look more badass. Alright, JJ, what did we just do?
We just did the top of Pucker Pass down to the boulder into Long Canyon, and this boulder, I guess it fell off the top in the 90s and created a natural kind of like arch, if you will. So,
and you get to drive under it.
You get to drive under it. It's pretty epic.
Badass.
It is badass. It is badass, and it wasn't too bad. Like the.
Oh yeah. It wasn't like washed out or anything.
No, when it does look, it's pretty gnarly. But.
What's in front of us? This is pretty cool.
This is a cool. It's probably got a name. I don't know, but yeah, just the whole trail down. It's got like fins and stuff, and you can see Pritchett. There's gonna be some killer views, but it's actually pretty short.
Yeah.
It's a short little hop. Yeah.
We kind of did the fun stuff, and now we're just enjoying the views.
Yep, enjoying the views. Yeah.
We can't see Pritchett Canyon from here really, but that's okay.
Yeah, we don't need to worry about it. We got a lot of other cool stuff. Hopefully, it clears a little bit though, so we, So
JJ.
Hey, boom.
Like I was saying earlier, no matter where you are in Moab, it's going to be amazing. Going to spend the trail day with JJ, the local and one of my really, really good friends, it makes you realize how special days like this really are.
Alright guys, we finished Long Canyon or Pucker Pass, and we are driving back into Moab. It's 10:21. I gotta get home today, but I figured I'm in Moab. I really want to do Chicken's Corners and show you guys how beautiful it is. So we're just gonna drive straight through Moab and get to the trail. Here we go. We are on our way to Hoorah Pass and Chicken's Corners, but I thought it'd be cool to show you this because any vehicle can make it down to views like that. You can camp at these awesome spots around all these cool little rock features, and it's a good spot. Any vehicle can make it down, obviously weather permitting, but go check it out. So we're coming up to the little creek crossing that sometimes, believe it or not, doesn't look like much, but this can limit you. That can limit you from getting across to this other side. So that's good news that it's not that flooded. It's been raining a lot though. Beautiful views.
To me, the rain didn't ruin the day, but it created this mood throughout the day that we were in for something special. I had no idea what that was going to be, but I couldn't have prepared myself for what's to come. You see, to me, I've never seen Moab this wet. This created a trail that felt like we were driving through a creek the entire time. As we made our way through this trail that turned into a creek, we stumbled upon a waterfall right through the trail. At this moment, I didn't care about time, and what time I would even make it home tonight. Nothing else mattered, as this was truly amazing. We still had a little more to go to get to that famous Chicken's Corner section. It's a narrow road that drives right along an overhanging Colorado River. To be honest, I was a little scared to do this road, as the roads were really slick with wet conditions, but here we go.
It was great getting out here.
In the waterfall? Are you kidding me?
Waterfalls, river crossing, or creek crossings, water crossings. It's been epic, absolutely epic. And then the articulation, the mud, the terrain.
Yeah.
It's just been epic. Just a 1,000-foot drop.
Just a 1,000-foot drop, so that's the drop off. The road right there, drop off right there.
This may not look scary, but we were sliding towards the cliff at times, and it definitely gave me the chills. JJ and I started to make our way back as it was getting really late. And I had to drive in the snow back all the way to Flagstaff. To me, this trail was completely worth it, and I can't wait to make it back to Moab for more trail days like this.